In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Slack from Fireflies. If you're looking to stop meeting recaps, notifications, or auto-shared notes from appearing in Slack, disconnecting the integration is quick and safe. This action only removes the connection between the two apps. It won't delete your Fireflies notes or any Slack messages. Before you start, make sure you're signed into the correct Fireflies account and that you have permission to manage integrations for your workspace. Using a desktop browser will make this easier to navigate. First, open your browser and go to fireflies.ai, then sign in. Once you're in your dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation menu, find and select integrations. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see the sidebar, expand the menu or maximize your window so the integrations option appears. On the integrations page, you'll see a collection of apps that connect to Fireflies. Use the search bar at the top and type Slack. If you don't see a search field, scroll through the list or use any available filters until you spot Slack. The Slack tile or card should show the current status of the connection. Click Slack to open the Slack integration details. This page summarizes what the integration does and provides controls for the connection. Here, look for the disconnect button. Clicking disconnect will prompt a confirmation message. Read it carefully so you understand what will change. Fireflies will stop posting to your Slack channels and direct messages, and no new meeting notes or summaries will sync to Slack. Your existing content in Fireflies remains intact. Confirm the disconnect. The page should update to reflect that Slack is no longer connected. If the button already says connect instead of disconnect, that means Slack is already disconnected and you're all set. If the page doesn't refresh, try reloading your browser tab and check again. A few quick tips if you run into trouble. Ensure you're logged into the correct Fireflies workspace, as some organizations use multiple workspaces. If the disconnect option is grayed out, you may need admin permissions. You can also try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser if the button doesn't respond. That's it. You went to Fireflies, opened integrations, searched for Slack, selected it, and clicked disconnect. With the connection removed, Slack will no longer receive updates from Fireflies, keeping your channels tidy while preserving all your notes and transcripts in Fireflies for future reference.